Welcome to the dynamic learning hub of ExcelR at Andheri East. A prime spot conveniently located at just a 5-minute walk from LIC Andheri Metro. In our journey of over a decade, we have proudly trained over 2 lakh students. We have also been recognized by Deloitte, Silicon India, and other accreditation bodies. Experience learning like never before in our spacious and comfortable classrooms. With high-definition projectors and state-of-the-art acoustics in place, we ensure effective learning even to the farthest point in the room. The hybrid mode is a game-changer as you can enjoy the benefits of a live classroom from the comfort of your home. Even if you happen to miss any classroom session, you can still attend the same session with the same trainer at the same time at your convenience, maintaining consistency in your learning progress. Wanna get started? Join us for a demo or career chat over a cup of coffee at our Andheri branch. ExcelR. We don't just train, we build careers.
Yes, so the collaboration with ExcelR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives.
The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets.
So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if ExcelR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
It was a great course and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with ExcelR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our Technical Fest Atmos, and I thank ExcelR for being a part of it.
Hi everyone. Very good afternoon. Hope you people are doing good and great. My good. So we do have ample number of participants. So we do have Purnima, Girish, we do have Lakshmi, Mitu, Sweta, so Somni, Abiba, Kshata, Amol, and many one. So very good afternoon, teachers and faculties and everyone. Hope you people are doing good and great. Hope my voice is audible and my video is visible. Will you please kindly confirm? We'll kickstart the show in another 2 minutes. As we can see, the participants are joining. Okay. Uh, so can somebody kindly confirm me in the chat box? My voice is audible and my video is visible. That would be really appreciated. You can use chat box, guys. Can somebody confirm me in the chat whether my voice is audible and audio is visible? So voice is audible and my screen is myself is visible. Cool. Thank you. Thank you. Confirms. Thank you, Rajshekhar. Thank you, Shiva Shankaran. Thank you, Atul Gupta. Thank you, Manjunath. Okay. So, we'll start the show, guys. So, as I can see, the people are joining one by one. We'll wait for another 2 minutes. Thank you, Shweta Sharma ji. Thank you. Okay. Before we start this session or anything, so I can say that in the yesterday's module, what we have been discussing about. So let me have a quick revision on that particular topic. We started with the marketing. What is marketing? We explored about the definition of marketing. Then we slowly moved on to the differences between, slowly moved on to the types of marketing. That is traditional marketing and digital marketing. Any marketing done without the support of internet or an offline media, for that we call it as traditional marketing. Any marketing activity done with the support of the internet is called digital marketing. And also we learned about what are the different digital marketing channels we do have, like SEO, SEM, SMM, content marketing, email marketing, and plenty of the things we have been learned. Along with that, we also learned about the differences between digital marketing and the traditional marketing, why digital marketing is important to than the traditional marketing. Okay, so what is the differences between them? So budgeting, low cost budgeting, on these particular aspects, we have been learned a session in yesterday. Correct? So along with that, we all explored with 5 Ds of the marketing, and then we concluded the task. Correct, right? Can I get some yes or no? So this is what we have been discussing in yesterday's sessions. Do you people agree on this part? Wonderful. Okay, I can see a few people are confirming yes. Few people said no. Few people said yes, yes, yes. Okay, thank you. Yeah. So today we are going to explore to the new task, and the task or the topic is called as SEO. Okay. So in today's session, let me see what is the agenda for the day. So we are going to learn on these particular aspects theoretically, as well as couple of things we'll be learning on practically. And along with that, we'll be learning a project scenario base. So how to handle that kind of a project scenario base and how to implement it. That we are going to see. So I'll be showcasing you how the things it should be work in the scenario aspect for the SEO. And then we'll be winding up the session. Okay. So I kindly request the people who all are in the session, make sure you have a proper internet connectivity, and please be in the silent area so that you will not be getting distracted, and please get focused on it. Okay. Thank you. So now let me move on to the next part, is called what is SEO. Okay. So what is SEO? SEO stands for search engine optimization. Okay. Where you optimize your web pages to rank in the search engines by following the webmaster's guidelines. By following the webmaster's guidelines. For that, we call it as SEO. Now, let me say I went to the Google. I'm searching for car insurance. Okay, when I'm searching for car insurance, and I'm able to rank on the SERP, ACO, not policy buzzers. There is not a SEO because it is showing as a sponsored. We will not consider that one as a SEO. We'll consider that one as a Google Ads. And Can you see there are a couple of websites like ACO, Tata AIG, ICICI Lombard, Bajaj Alliance? Correct now. Among these, ACO has been ranking on the top of the SCRP, okay, where they have been followed the rules and guidelines made by the search engines, and for that we call it as SEO. For that we call it as SEO. So now we want to optimize these things. So a search engine has introduced certain guidelines. So for that guidelines, we need to optimize our pages, and slowly we can rank on the SEO. We cannot rank it in one day. Go ahead, guys. We will rank it slowly into the SER. Okay, for that's the reason we call it as SEO. Okay, anything which has been done and followed by organically. Okay, now let me understand how does a search engine works, or how does an SEO works. See, SEO aligns your website and content with Google algorithms. Okay, now I have a query of that particular query is being added in your web pages. Does that web pages consist of this content? Does that web pages is having the images? So it should get the checkbox for all the things what we have been looking ahead. So it will feel okay if it is looking ahead with all the parts what we have been discussed, and if it is been satisfied, then you are able to rank, or else you cannot able to rank. Okay, so the first thing is called, it should satisfy the intent what the searcher is looking to achieve. Now let me say I'm planning to open this particular ACO insurance only. What was my query? My query is relevant to car insurance. So now I'll come to my this particular insurance part, and here you can see there is a car insurance. It has been started with it, and in the right hand side you can see the image with the brand ambassadors. Okay, so is it getting satisfied? The first thing, yes, it is satisfying the look what the search query has been made. Okay, and load quickly and perform very well. So within fraction of seconds the website is opened, and when I still scroll down, I'm getting the more description about this particular content. Okay, and it has been redirecting, or it has been taking the path in a smoother version where I'm scrolling down, all the details it has been satisfying to me. Right. For this, we call it as what? Load quickly and perform very well, or easily navigable by the users and the search engines. It should be easily navigable. Yes. When you come here now, it should be navigating to other aspects also. Let me say this is called the navigation when you're clicking on this particular links. So let me say when I'm clicking on this particular check prices, it is asking me to enter the number. When I'm clicking on the login, it is redirecting me to the login page. Okay, so it is asking me to log in with your phone number, and then you can go ahead and log in. Correct now? Again, for this is known as, okay, navigable by users and the search engines. Okay, we can consider this is how the search engine works. Okay, so first it should satisfy the user intent, load quickly and perform very well, and also easily navigable by the users to the search engines. Okay, so this is how the search engine works. Now we got some idea how the search engine works. Now let me move and understand what is the importance of SEO. Do you think that SEO is really important? Yes. Okay. See, algorithms is nothing but there are search. Google has introduced so many algorithms. Okay. Among them, we do have Penguin, Panda. Along with that, we do have latest algorithm is called LS algorithms. So there are more than 200 plus algorithms has been introduced by Google. You need to satisfy all those algorithms. It should include your meta title, meta description, keyword optimization, content optimization. Okay. And it should be having a proper keyword cannibalization. Okay. So when we keep a list, guys, right, we have 200 plus algorithms. It should be satisfying all these algorithms. If you're not satisfying much of the algorithms, then you cannot be ranked on the SCRP. Then you cannot be ranked on the SCRP. Is it clear? Yeah, good. So it only not includes with one algorithm. It also includes the domain authority, whether the domain what you have been purchased is it a proper service provider. Okay, there is a place called GoDaddy. There is a place called what is this called Bluehost. Okay, you should get the domain purchase from this kind of service providers. Okay, then only it would be good. Okay, even that gives a count of part of your algorithms. Okay, if you're not satisfying all these algorithms, then you cannot be able to rank on the SCRP. If your website is not having the SSL certificate, it is called secure socket layer. It is a part of the algorithm that also cannot be able to rank. Okay, so these are the algorithms which we can consider on this particular aspect, and we can be taking into the note. Now, let me see the importance of SEO. Okay, why SEO is important? The first and most important is it increases organic traffic. SEO can be highly costly effective. Okay, it is very cost effective. Okay, better user experience and competitive advantage. Along with that, it has few more benefits like it targets the specific audience like local targets along with the long-term benefits. Okay, so let me go and explore each one by one and see and analyze how these things will work. Okay, so let me go with the first option is called increase visibility or increase organic traffic. Okay, ranking high in search engine result page can get you a lot of clicks. What? Ranking high in the search engine, it gets you lot of clicks, which means lot of traffic to your website. When a people is searching across the globe and your website is coming on the top, then definitely nice boss. You're getting on the top now. Okay, which means lot of traffic to our website. People use search engine to perform billions of searches every day, guys. Not one day or 2 day ahead. It will be every day the one or two peoples, it will be billions of people who will be speaking about the search engine on everyday aspect. And an average of 43% of searchers click on organic results. Now, let me say, for example, I went to the Google and I'm searching for here called the keyword. Let me show you the keyword called rosewood furniture. When I enter the keyword called the rosewood furniture and I'm able to see the queries here. Can you see? There is a business called the website called the Dark Range is coming on the top. Again, when I scroll down, you're able to see there are other shopping elements we are getting ahead. Okay, can you see there is Amazon is coming, Urban Ladder is coming, Flipkart is coming, TickPark.com is coming, Solid Bench is coming, and other websites also recommending you. But among them, if you look into it, this particular website is coming on the top of the SER. Okay, so when people says, okay, every time this website is coming, popping up this business, and when you click on it, it will be redirected. Okay, even if you people can check it, na rosewood furniture, you can open your dashboard in the Google and type it rosewood furniture. Okay, this website called Dark Rains will be coming on the top or the second or at the bottom. I think in the first or second or third results you might be finding. Okay, just check it which place you are been ranking for this particular keyword in your respective locations. I believe we are from having across the India, right? So, and if you look into this particular keyword, this web page is coming. Correct? Can I get some yes or no? If you type this particular website is coming on the top of the SCRP, please open your Google, guys, and search for this particular keyword called rosewood furniture, and let me know whether you are getting the this particular website or not. Did anybody find out this website? On which position it is coming, guys? For the keyword called rosewood furniture, you cannot find it, Amit? Yeah, it is in the third position. Yeah. So, but it is there in the top of the SCRP, right? So we can say this is the top of this. Top of the SCRP includes the first, second, and third result page. Okay. So the third ranking. Okay. It's in third position. Thank you, Nitin. So for me, it is coming in the first position because I'm in the location. I basically developed this website and I always keep on opening it. That's the reason. But it is coming in the third position. So how about others? Thank you, Nitin. Thank you, Amit. Okay. Again, Amit is getting the first is coming with Amazon and second is coming with India Mart. Okay. It differs from the location to location, Amit. Okay. I think Krishna Priya ma'am is coming with Amazon. Okay. So we can say, okay. You're not getting this dark range website, Krishna Priya ma'am? Yeah. No problem, Nitin. Yes. No problem. Thank you. Yeah. Not in the top tier. You will be seeing in the second or third or fourth or fifth position. So you might be able to see that one also. Okay. So within the for this we call it as an SEO. So for the first one is scaling. So when you're getting an organic traffic, right, it has a high chance of getting huge people to your businesses. We can consider that as an increasing in organic traffic. And the second advantage is SEO can be highly cost effective. See guys, for SEO, right, you no need to pay any single penny. It is free of cost. Let me repeat it. For SEO, you no need to pay any single penny. It is for the free of cost, where you need to follow the Google algorithms, where you need to follow the rules and regulations made by the search engines. Then definitely you can rank on the search engines. If you're not following the regulations or the rules which has been given by search engines, then it is really tough for you to be part of this particular to rank your pages. Okay. And sir, you're saying it is free of cost. Can I create my website today and tomorrow can I go it? No, boss, it is not possible. Okay. The word organic defines itself. It will take slow growth. What do you say? It will take a slow growth. You cannot see the one go success. You cannot see the one go success. Okay. So that's the what the thing I can consider is a part. Okay. So compared to paid advertisings like Google ads or social media campaigns, SEO is very cost effective and it is a long-term strategy, not for the short-term strategy. I have money today, I'll pay for the Google ads. I have money tomorrow, I'll pay for the Google ads. But on the fifth day or the seventh day, I don't have a budget. So what can be done? But by meanwhile, I need to be in the SEO, right? So that's the reason we need to be taking in consideration. It is we should not work for the short-term goal. It is always for the long-term strategy or long-term goal. Okay. It requires upfront and optimization. The results, organic traffic can last for months or even years without ongoing costs. Okay. You can see why if you look into it now, why Amazon is getting ranked on the top of the search engine, because it has done kind of an optimization what should be done for that particular pages. That's the reason Amazon is coming on the top of the SERP. Okay, even though certain pages, right, certain queries, if like certain products is not properly having in Amazon, that pages also will try to come out with a ranking part. Okay, so all kind of results will be showcased, and for that they have been done for a lot of work in the form of optimizing the pages, generating the traffic, backlinks, and many more things has been made. That's the reason it can be done, and it is for the long-term purpose we can consider. Okay, we can consider for the long-term purpose. Okay, where can see, upfront efforts is nothing but where you need to give the proper keyword research and it should be implemented on your web pages for the relevant with the content. Okay. For that upfront effort, we call it, ma'am. Okay. So you need to go ahead and you need to do the proper research relevant to your product, what you are looking at for that. And we need implement those things in your website. Okay. Are we clear? Okay, cool. Thank you. Then let me move on to the next part. Best user experience. It is a big part of an SEO, focuses on improving the user experience. That includes optimizing for mobile, enhancing pages, load speeds, and creating easily navigational websites. Now let me show you, for example, I'm opening this particular web page. Okay, when I click on this open particular web page, here I do have an option, and right now I'm seeing in the laptop mode. Okay, or a desktop mode. Now, this user should feel the experience with the images. Yes, I'm very happy. When I'm scrolling down, I'm having the icons. I'm clicking on the particular icons. It has been performing very well. Okay, and the content is relevant. And right now, if I want to look into the, okay, so let me say I'm right now looking into the desktop mode. When I click on inspect mode, can you see the whole image part content has been changed? 1 minute. Yep. Okay. So let me show you once again. Let me go for the inspect page. Now, if you look into here, let me say I'm going ahead with the this one part, the different part. I think some issue should be there. Wait, let me take another website. Kiran Pet Series. Okay. Now, Here right now we are able to see this is one website. So let me click on this. So when I click on inspect on this particular now, it is getting fitted into this particular screen. And right now I'm using which screen? I'm using the iPhone phone screen. So I will change it to the iPhone 14 Max Pro. Okay, again I'm changing it to the Samsung Galaxy. I'm changing it to the iPhone mini, iPad mini. Okay. See, by the end of the day, the content is and the images are fitting into the particular screen and it is showing it is as a responsive mode. For that, we call it as user experience. Along with that, okay, the links, whatever you have been given, and the navigation. See, it is telling that to click on this, no more, okay, and fill the form. Correct now. So these are the things we are able to see on this particular buttons. Now, when I click on this particular buttons, okay, it should be redirecting to that particular places. Let me say I want to know more about the CT scan. Again, it is redirecting to the CT scan. Can you see? And for this, we call it as user experience. So what do we call it as? User experience. Okay. So when you have a better user experience, you can generate the often leads to a higher engagement rate and low bounce rate. Okay. So what is lower bounce rate? Lower bounce rate is nothing but you were searching for a query and you find out one website. Now, unfortunately, after opening that website, maybe many reasons. Okay, you suddenly shut down that website within fraction of seconds, within 5 seconds. For that, we call it as a bounce rate. I believe many of you people experienced like this. You people will be searching for certain queries. Suddenly, there is a website is being popped up. When you click on the particular web page and it is being redirected to another place, and by default, you will feel okay, this is not relevant to me, and immediately you will close it. For that, we call it as a bounce rate. Okay, we should not have a high, we should not have a huge bounce rate. Okay, that how to avoid that. That's the reason it is a part of better user experience. When you have a proper user experience, it will help you generate the lead. Now, what did the people have said? They came for a query here, if I am not wrong, few seconds back. And when I click on this particular homepage, I am coming with the content. Now, I am going through this content. I'm not and understanding this particular content. What is my requirement? What is the need? And everything ahead. Okay, I got a pop-up saying that boss, you are spending more than 5 seconds. It means that you have shown some interest. Okay, if you want any assistance, kindly call to these numbers which is being popped up. This is called as call to action. So this is called as pop-up forms. Okay, so even that should be taken place. So that's all considered under this particular task, and we call it as better user experience. Okay, so and it also improves in SEO rank. Sir, how does it improve in SEO rank? How does it improve in SEO rank? When a person is searching for a particular requirement, the person is coming to that particular place. After the person reaches to the particular place, okay, the person is spending some time on that particular website. Correct now. So you're finding some information. So now what happens? Google robots will analyze, okay, this person is spending a lot of time on this particular website. Like it will start with the time duration count, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it means that in 10 seconds of a duration, the person has traveled so many pages and he had been traveled the information, done some action, everything. So when a people is spending huge time on your website, right? And there is an action has been taken on your website, then slowly, definitely will start pushing the results to your SERP, in the SERP. Okay. So that's what it means. So you should make sure to attract your customers in the form of content with the images and the videos. Along with that, it should be a relevant conclusion part. Okay. So if these things are been not there in your website, then do not expect it can be good. Okay. So this is the one of the advantage I can consider. So that's the reason user experience plays a vital role in the SEO. Then slowly we will move on to the competitive advantage. So why competitive advantage? Let me take, if your competitors are investing in SEO, they are like capturing potential customers. What they are? They are like capturing potential customers. You could be better attracting, keeping your SEO strategy strong and ensure that you remain competitive in your industry. Now, see example, guys. Digital nowadays for businesses, we have a huge competition. When you have a huge competition, let me take for example, there is a restaurant which has been opened. For that restaurant, we have so many competitors. Now people have started adapting to get into that restaurant with the Swiggy's or Swiggy Mart or an what is this called? We have Zomato. So the people are getting tied up. Okay, boss, let me have some walk-ins along with that. Let me go and get a tie with this kind of a food applications. I get a more food orders. Okay. Now if you take a small play school, I believe play school means no play school, right? I believe everybody has heard about the play school. Even the play school people will be doing the digital marketing. Okay, they will be having a website, they will be having the Facebook pages, social media pages. Okay, they update all the latest details. Okay, they showcase their students, means the parents kids, into their respective educational sites. Okay, when you having that kind of a content, and it maybe you have a reputation brand in the local market, sir, but if the parent or a person who want to know much about your business, they doesn't want to call you every time. They want to just showcase you in your website. Okay. So that's the reason it plays a very important role. Okay. So that gives you the path to get the success. Okay. If you're not having a website, or if you're not following the digital marketing, definitely your competitor will definitely grab the attention, and they'll pick and they'll go away. So it's a huge loss. So let me show you one of the success story. Okay. Uh, one of the client called this person name called Veda Vihan. Okay. It's a play school which has been uh, play school in Whitefield. Okay. So there is a play school. So they have a huge competition. Okay. Earlier they had a huge competition. So this is a global tech price school. So what they said that earlier these are the people they started at the during the lockdown, and only in the surrounding of Kundanalli Gate or surrounding of Imdalli, right? Only this company, this particular what is this called school is having the website. And during the lockdown, they came out with the idea of online play school, and they started running the advertisements. Okay. During the lockdown, they got the 10 to 15 advertisements, guys. Okay, sorry, 10 to 15 leads, and that got converted. Why? Because other schools, they were branded, and they had somewhere around 200 schools. There are other local schools, I'm seeing. Okay. And unfortunately, they were not having much website. And this was one of the biggest example how they boosted. Now the school is started with one branch. They have two branches, right? Okay. And the two branches is also operating very successful. One branch is having 150 kids, and another branch is having 45 to 70 kids, because the campus is very, very small. Okay. Not very small, small. Okay. So they are very good and active in digital marketing. Now they are giving the competition to Ryan International School. Okay. Have you heard about the Ryan's International School, guys? Anyone in the batch? Have you heard about the school name called Ryan International School? Yes. So I think we can, Amit knows, and Sachin and Archana has knows. Correct, right? For this particular local school is giving competition. Why? Because during that time and after that time, the Ryan was not having much digital marketing. Now they are into the market. Okay. So that's what happens when you are not there, even though you're good, your competitor will be come and attack. Okay. So this is one of the example we can consider competition advantage. If your competitor are into the market, definitely we need to grab that attention. Okay. Then let me slowly moving on to the local SEO for targeted specific audience. See, local SEO is a vital for business strategy targeting local customers, optimizing for a local searches. Example, if somebody is searching for a best pizza shop near me, let me show you very practically. So when I'm searching here, uh, best pizza shops near me. So when I'm searching particularly this keyword, what is the place I'm getting? Brick Oven, the Pizza Bakery, and the Milan Pizza. Okay, Milanio Pizza. So these are there. Okay, so it is this is called a local SEO. What do we call it as? The local SEO, where you will be listing your business on the you will be listing your business on the Google. Okay, and where we will be adding the keywords like a pizza shop near me. You'll be adding the proper location, generating the reviews from your customers. Okay, adding the latest photos. All these things comes under the local SEO. Okay, and if you click on this now, you can see before we go to that, we'll see the reviews. We have 4.3K reviews, and it is the starting with the 4.4 starting rating. And I can see a couple of images. These are reality images. If I click on it and I can go through it, is there an old image or there The recent image, I think you can see this is a 1 year ago image, 2 weeks ago. This is, and this is 3 years ago, and this is 4 days ago. It means that these are real images. It's a real location, and we do have their website and options, and also we can see the ratings. So this also helps you to boost your locally as well as the other ways also. So where they do provide the takeaways, also they do provide the home deliveries also. So I can place an order on this particular aspect. So this is how the things will happen in a local SEO. Correct now. So optimizing for the local searches, ensuring that you appear in the local listings. Okay, yes, we are appeared in the local listing. For this, we call it as Google My Business. Okay, or GMap packs. GMap packs. Okay, so where you need to list your business on this, and for that we will be doing. For this, basically Google doesn't charge any money, guys. Basically, we as a digital marketer charges money somewhere 1,000 to 1,500. We connect with we spend some time on this, and we need to generate the proper location, everything aspects, right? So that's the reason we can consider this one as a location. Okay, so that is very important aspect we can consider. Now, let me move on to the next term is called long-term benefit. As I said, right, unlike paid ads where results stop when the campaigning ends. Okay, so today you have money, you will be paying. By after 15 days or 45 days or 30 days, you don't have money, boss. Okay, so you cannot depend on the Google ads. So that's the reason it is for the longer term, not for the short term. Okay, and it will slowly grow, and it will take positions take over your competitors by adding one by one things, and definitely it will come into the consideration. Okay, and SEO offers for the long-term benefits. Once your site starts ranking well, maintaining the position becomes easier, and traffic continues to flow. Okay, see, once you started ranking, right, it is not that much difficult to maintain the piece. Okay, where for every 6 months you will be adding the content, where every for 15 days or 45 days, you'll be generating the backlink for this particular web page URL. Okay. And you will be seeing any technical auditing is missing out or anything, where you'll be writing the keywords. Sorry, you'll be writing the blogs for the particular keywords. Okay. And generating the traffic to the particular pages. So these are the things can be considered, and it can be part of this particular aspect. Okay. So this is the biggest long-term position. So when you look into that, so many websites will be available in the SERP in this position only. If you're looking for clothing material, right? So for example, if you want to purchase any new clothes, okay, let me say I'm looking for the t-shirts for men. So which are the websites you think that it will be coming ahead, guys? T-shirts for men. So which are the things will be coming into the mind? So the first thing which will come into your mind is Amazon. Second thing is Myntra. Then what are the websites we can see to purchase the clothes? Come on, guys. Anybody have any idea? I believe you people place a lot of food items, sorry, shirts and these things in online, right? So which websites should people basically go ahead? Lifestyle. Okay, Amit Kumar goes for the lifestyle. Nice. Okay. So if I'm looking for the t-shirts for men, I cannot see the lifestyle website is coming on the here. Okay, can you see Flipkart is coming, Wrong is coming, and you can see Ellen Soul. I can see that Snitch. Okay, AGO. Okay, and Myntra. Okay, Snitch is one of the recent startup company, guys, and they really focus a lot of things on the website and digital marketing aspect, guys, and they're really booming in the industry. I can consider. Okay, they're really booming into the industry. I can consider. Uh Recently they have been went to the Shark Tank for even for the purpose of the funding part, and they have been showcasing. They have multiple branches across the India, and they are trying to compete with Agio, Alensol, and many more. And brand is also good. So that's the unique way of bringing into the market, and they're trying to get the things into the easier aspects. See, they're also still following the SEO. Okay, so that's what we can consider for the long term. But again, they couldn't able to cross something called Minare into the market. And Agio also, can you see, guys? Agio is also one of the brand. After Myntra, Agios came, and they have been not able to rank. See, one of the other things they'll be implementing on the SEO, and that's the reason they're able to constantly hold the rank on the SERP. Hold the rank on the SCRP. So for this, we call it as long-term goal and long-term benefits. This is not for short-term benefits. Are we clear? Okay, so just a quick part. So what are the different advantages or importance of SEO? It increases organic traffic as it is a free of cost. You don't need to pay any penny, and it can be highly cost effective. It helps in better user experience. Competitive advantage, local SEO for target specific audience, and long-term benefits. So these are the importance of SEO. And now let me move on to the next part is called keywords. Okay. Have you heard about the term called keyword? Anyone have you heard about the word keywords? Any terminology? Anybody? Did anybody have used the keywords? Okay, thank you. A few people have heard about the keywords. Thank you, Sachin. Thank you, Achna. Uh, thank you, Aswari. Okay. Let me give you an explanation. What are keywords? Major words in a search term is called a keyword. Major words in a search term is called a keywords. Now, why do people basically go to the Google, guys? For what reason the people will go for the Google? Is there any just for the time pass or just for spending the time? What is the purpose of going for the Google, guys? Take your time and answer the question. What is the purpose for reaching out to the Google? For maximum reach out. No, I'm asking generally all the human beings will be planning to always visit Google. Na? For what purpose the people will go for the Google? Yes. Amit Kumar says that we are looking for some query. Okay. Aswari is saying that searching for a result. Okay. Searching for something. Okay. To get a relevant information. Okay. Information on the internet. Thank you, Nitin. Correct, right? So that's the reason. See, guys, we basically go for this Google is only when we have certain query. We do not go Google every day. Do you think every day, every minute, will you go for the Google? To get the unknown information. Correct, Mahesh. Valid. Correct, na? So I am searching for this. For example, I don't have any idea how much it will cost me for constructing a 2 BHK house. Okay, I don't have any idea what would be the cost for a MBA course. Correct, na? So if I call to my friend or a family member or a known person, they will be sharing you the known information. But still, if I want to get more information, now what is that one? For me, it is a problem. Or for me, it is a information. It is a question mark. I want to know much information about these. I am curious about this. Correct, na? So for getting that solution, we go for the Google. For getting that solution, we go for the Google. Do you agree on this part? Yes or no? Thank you, Mahesh. Thank you, Archana. Correct, right? Yes. So we'll go. Thank you, Vinodini. Correct, na? So for the people, common people like others, right? For them, it is a search query. For them, it is a information. Okay, for them, it might be a problem. But for the search engines, as well as for the digital marketers, for us, that is a keyword. For us, that is a keyword. So what we use the keywords. Okay, like user on Google, what, let me show you. This is the examples. What are the restaurants in Bangalore? That is a search term. That is a keyword. Restaurants in Bangalore, again, is a keyword. Okay, and health insurance, it's a keyword. Okay, these are known as keywords. What are the user comment type? So the person is typing more than 15 letters, 45 letters. Do we still consider it as a keyword? Yes. The person is using only one word. Do we still consider it as a keyword? Yes. Okay. So that is known as the keywords. So the person is using the voice note. Even in the voice note, the person is speaking about the particular content, right? Yes, for that also we call it as keywords. Now you people got an idea? In simple terms, major words in the search term is called the keyword. When somebody asks you a question, what is keyword? You can definitely tell major terms. Go searching for the major words in the search terms is called as the keywords. Now, let me understand what are the different types of keywords we do have. What are the different types of keywords we do have? The first type of keywords is short tail keyword. Short tail keyword. Any word which is having a count of 1 or 2 words is known as short tail keywords. Let me give you an example, and you people will be also giving me the examples. Let me give example called car insurance is a short tail keyword. Let me say fan is a short tail keyword. Okay, which is having only 2 words. Correct now. Now, can I get some answers from your end? Can you give me some examples of short tail keywords? Please use the chat box, think and answer the question. So I need 2 words count. Please enter the 2 words count. What are you people know? Okay, digital marketing. Very smart answer. Cake recipe. Okay. iPhone. I think 1 word. Super Meher. Yes. Come on, guys. How about this? Okay. Car driving. Wonderful, Sachin. Come on, think of and giving an examples of keywords. Archana ma'am or Vinodini ma'am or Mahesh or Nitin. Please use the chat box. Okay, cool. Yes, so we do have vegetable shops, book. Correct. Thank you, Meherji. Okay, so these are the examples of short tail keywords. Okay, the word count will be within 2 words or 1 word. Medium tail keywords, like 3 to 4 words is known as medium tail keywords. Okay, like example. What example can I give you? Laptop price or laptop store in Bangalore. Laptop store in Bangalore. It's a 4-word sentence. Okay. A bakery shop near me. Bakery shop near me. So again, it's a medium tail keywords. Again, it is a medium tail keywords. Okay. So one is short tail is done, medium tail is done. Can I get one example for medium tail keywords from your end, guys? Okay. New startups in India. 4 words. Super. Swananda. Super. Okay. Easy pizza dog recipe. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 words. Super. Thank you, Kartika. Best restaurants near me. Super. Okay. Meher is telling Shah Rukh Khan stay at Janat. No, it is not a medium tail, but it is having more than 4 words. Swimming pool in Bangalore. Yes. Correct, Sachin. It's a medium tail keywords. Wonderful. Okay. Any keyword which is having a word count of 3 to 4, for that we call it as medium tail keywords. Then we go for the long tail keywords. Any words which is having a count of more than 4 plus words, for that we call it as long tail keywords. Okay. Like example, best time to visit Bangalore, 1 day tourism places in Bangalore, or digital marketing course in BTM layout, digital marketing course in Marathalli. Correct, right? So for this, we call it as the long tail keywords. Okay. Can I get some examples from your end, guys? What are the long tail keywords examples? Okay, we have Srinivas, best mobile phones with 256 GB data. Wonderful. Srinivas is given advantages of solar energy. 1, 2, 3, 4 words. I think we can give it for the medium tail, Kulkarni ji. Okay, advantages of solar energy compared to wind energy. Yeah, it's a long tail keyword. Sorry, that's my bad. Okay, Amit is giving an answer. Gift ideas of anniversary. Gift ideas of anniversary. It's a medium tail, Amit. Okay. Time, how power to change invaluable stone into the valuable diamond. Wonderful. It's again a long tail keyword. Best laptops under 15,000. Again, it's a medium tail. Example of 10 top marketing strategies, long tail. Okay. And what is the best digital marketing tools? Again, it's a long tail keyword. Okay. And deals nearby is a medium tail. Okay. Anand is asking, sir, how to identify keywords for any uh, term which is mostly search. That we are going to learn in the upcoming part. In another few seconds, we are going to learn which are the how to check the keywords and what is the tool to be used. You don't need to worry. Yes. Any doubts? Anybody have any doubts? I think Shweta, you have any doubt? Shweta and Nazia Banu, do you have any doubts? Can see you have been raised your question, your hand. Okay. If you people don't have doubts, you can raise down your hands. If you have a doubts, kindly put it in the chat box. Cool. Wonderful. Now, let me move on, understand what is keyword research. Okay. Let me take you one small example, guys, one small story. Okay. Uh, Chandana. Okay. Chandana is a person. She is planning to start a restaurant business or a hotel business. Okay. And she went to one particular area and she saw there are 4 to 5 hotels in that particular area where the crowded of 5,000 to not 5,000 people we can consider, which is it is having a crowd of 1 lakh to 5 lakhs people in that area. And they have hardly only 5 hotels, or 2 the small hotels. Now Chandana has an idea, okay, let me start a hotel business. And she will go to that hotel and she will start seeing that how the ambience, everything is fine. And she will ask the person, sir, what is the fast moving breakfast or what is the fast moving food like that? The person will say idlis, dosa or puri or vada pav or pav bhaji or something he will say. Okay, she will take a note. She'll keep it into the mind. So the list of items she got. Again, she will go to another hotel. She will see that is this pav bhaji is very rushing food. Can we say here? And the person will say yes. Again, okay, pav bhaji is the one demanded food, and which is the second demanded food. The person will say dosha. That the person will say again vada pav something. So again, she got an idea. Okay, from the 2 hotels, she got this much idea. Third hotel, she will go. She will ask it what is the fast moving food. The person will say we will sell pav bhaji, where in a day we can see somewhere around 1,500 people will be placing the order for the pav bhaji. Oh, okay, we got the number also. Okay, so like this, we need to go traditionally and do the market survey, and we need to identify. But do we need to do same thing in digital marketing? No, we don't need to go for the same thing for the digital marketing. But that's the reason we do something called a keyword research. Okay, it gives you the unlike paid ads where results show on the top of the campaigning SEO effects, long-term benefits. Once your site starts ranking well, maintaining the position, because I think it's a different definition. 1 minute. Yeah. Okay, keyword research is nothing but where you do the keyword activity, where you pick the particular keyword and find out whether this particular keyword is really having a demand or not. Whether the particular keyword is having a demand or not, how strong this keyword, how weak is this particular keyword. To know for that, we call it as keyword research. What do we call it as? Keyword research. Now, these are the parameters we do considered under the keyword research. Okay. So 1 minute, let me see, is there any question? Okay. Sachin has a question. So how length of the keywords depend upon the search result? I mean, the length will be depend upon the requirement. Yes, it depend on the requirement section. We cannot say the length of the keywords will be sometimes short tail, sometimes medium tail, sometimes it will be long tail. Okay. So how can you indexing of a site content done effectively? Rajshekhar, once the complete website is been run and ready, then we will go for Search Console to index, and there will be submitting the website map. So once the site map is submitted, then the indexing will be starting, Rajshekhar. I believe you. I have answered the questions for both of you guys, Sachin and Rajshekhar. Yeah. Are you people clear, or do you people have a doubt still? Thank you, Rajshekhar. Sachin. Okay. Now, So before we do the keywords, right? Here is a sample projection, guys. Okay. So keywords with the long term or short tail, medium tail, or long tail, right? There are parts, they falls under certain parameters. Parameters comes under one. If it is a short tail keyword, right? It will be always have the high search volume. It will be always having the high search volume. Okay. So it will be quite challenging, and even Google will be confused, and not in the Google will get confused. Basically, you'll be having a high tough competition and it will be challenging. Okay. And you will be seeing the search volume will be like huge number and the competition level will be high and medium. Business intent is low. What is business intent? Whether the person is planning to purchase this product, or the person is planning to compare this product, or the person is planning to review this product. So there is no clarity with the short tail keywords. It will be always a low medium of a business intent. Okay. Now, let me take for example, if you go to any hotel, right? If you ask dosa only, if you place an order to dosa, the person will be asking, what dosa do you want? Dosa is a short tail keyword. When you speak about, the person will say, we have masala dosa with ghee, we have onion dosa with pudi, correct, right? They will be saying that many of things. That all comes under the medium tail, not under the short tail. Correct, na? So it will be having more than 3 words, so that the person who makes the dosa also have a proper clarity. Correct, na? If you just tell the dosa means what dosa they want to give. They want to give the plain dosa or a ghee dosa or a roasted dosa or a rava dosa or onion dosa. So they also not have a proper clarity. But here you will get a proper clarity in the medium tail. So kind of an upgraded version. Now, again, here it comes. You have a less chance of what is this called when it comes for the search volume in the medium tail. You have a medium search volume, okay, as well as the competition level is quite high. Okay, it will be higher on. Okay, and the business intent is medium and high. Okay, where you have a chance of getting converted of that particular product, where a chance of getting a person to fill the details of that particular coin. Okay, for that we call it as the medium intent. Okay, so you have a chance of getting the business getting converted. Then comes with the long tail. Long tail is the one of the keyword where they have a low volume. Okay, you will go and you will tell to the person, boss, I'm looking for a butter masala dosa, which should be less roasted with high, what is this? We can consider it as add-on aloo masala. Okay, and it is being clearly customized. You're telling clearly customized, so that the person will say same thing to the chef, and person will be clearly making one. Okay, you have a high chance of conversion. Competition is also medium and low. People will not have like this. So rare kind of a people will catch this kind of a questions, and you have a high chance of conversion. Okay, let me take practical example of one more thing. Now I went to the Google and I'm searching for the particular course or particular term. Let me say I'm searching for the particular called data science. See, data science. When I click on data science, I'm just getting the definition. Even they're not running the ads because it's a short tail keyword. So you are looking for a definition or not. Google assumes this is the definition. That's the reason they're giving you the definition. And apart from that, you have certain websites. Can you see Twitter is coming, IBM is coming, Wikipedia, Coursera, so many things are coming. But again, it's a short tail keyword. Now, when I mention about data science, I'm going now bigger extent, data science course. Okay. When you click on this, yes, you start with the advertisement, you start with the organized, optimized SEO result page. Again, when you start, again, you'll be getting multiple options. Coursera is coming, Alma is coming, and Simply Learn is coming, and Udemy is coming. Now, when you mention about digital data science course in BTM layout, so when you mention it's still more prescribed, it means that you are clear, boss, I am looking only in BTM layout, boss. And when you click on enter, if you look into here, is Simply Learn is coming here? No. Is Coursera is coming? No. It is showing only the BTM layout places. It starts with the what is this called local SEO, then slowly moving on here. You can see because quite far from my page. That's the reason ExcelR is coming in the third position, but still correct now. So here comes with this. So might be my mapping location is somewhere in a different extent. So that's the reason. Can you see, guys? So that's how again you can see these are the things we are able to see. So this is the long tail keyword where you have a proper decision. In the short tail keywords, you will be not having the proper decisions. Okay. Are we clear with the parameters of short tail, medium tail, and long tail? Do you have any doubt in this one? Okay. Can I get some confirmation, yes or no? Are you people clear on the short tail, medium tail, long tail, and search volume, competition, and business intents? Are we clear? Yes, clear. Thank you, Pallavi. Thank you, Mahesh and Sachin and Amit and Kartika and uh, thank you, Aswani. Thank you, Pallavi. Okay. Now, let me dive into the next part is called, which is the tool where we can see whether this keyword is having a really demand or not. Correct, right? So let me go that. For that, we call it as keyword planner. We have a tool called keyword planner. It is a free of cost which is provided from the Google. You no need to pay any single penny. Okay, where we go and check the cut-in results here and you will be getting the results. It's a keyword planner, helps you in searching keywords for your campaignings. You can use this free tool to discover new keywords related to your business and see estimates of the searches they receive on the cost to target them. Searches to receive on the cost to target them. It's a tool which can be used for the digital marketers to identify what is the search volume, how the keyword is difficulty that we can be able to see. Okay, so let me show you what are the benefits of keyword planner. The first benefit is it discovers new keywords. It gets suggestion for the keyword related to your products, services, or a website. Okay. See, boss, let me give you food example only. Why I'm giving you food example? Because it is easy you people to understand. Now, a person is a chef. A chef can cook all kind of foods. Correct, right? That's the reason we call him as a chef, right? Now, you have started a hotel. You are running the hotel from the past so many days. And there is a crazy person like Hitesh has came to the hotel. And I asked the question, sir, do you sell dosas? Yes, the person said, dosa we will be selling. I asked them, do you sell roasted masala puri dosa? What? Roasted masala puri dosa. The person will say, yes, but it is not there in the menu. Yes, we will serve it. That then you will go and tell that boss, normal masala dosa only, you need to roast it and you need to add something called puri on that. So that the puri should be highlighted and the masala dosa which should be in the roasted manner. So when you see that, I don't want to lose the business, but I cannot show everything on my dashboard, right? So that's the reason I'll be mentioning. Okay. So what are the requirements available? So with this, you will get an idea. Okay, boss, people even searching for this particular way. People is searching not in the straight way, but the people is trying to search in different way. I need to add this particular keyword in my blog. I need to add this particular keyword into my website. I need to add this particular keyword into my video. Correct now. So you can get more discovered suggestions which is relevant to your product or a service. And you can see monthly searches, it estimates on the number of searches a word get search on the month. Even you can see, is there any yearly change or monthly change? That data can also be seen in the keyword planner. So that is the one of the advantage of keyword planner, and it is for the free of cost. Okay, so now let me show you how does a keyword planner looks into a head. So this is how the keyword planner dashboard look into the head, guys, where you can see and you can see the query. See, for example, somebody has been used a query called plant fertilizer and plant nutrition. For that particular query, we got the results here. Average monthly search, 3 monthly search, year-on-year change, competition, and impression, and everything we can be seen. Correct now? So we'll be getting an idea. So this is how the keyword research tool looks like. And let me show you practically how does a keyword research tool looks. Okay, so let me show you Google Keyword Planner. Kindly go to Google. Okay, and you need to type Google Keyword Planner. Okay, click on the enter and it will be redirected to here. To sign up this account, right, you need to be having a Gmail ID, guys. So click on Google Keyword Planner. As I'm already having a Gmail ID account, I'll directly click on start or sign in. Okay. And once you click on signing, right, you will be landing to this particular account. See here, can you see I have multiple Google Ads account? Okay. And this anyone I can choose. For the people who don't have a Google Ad account, right, or a keyword planner account, kindly click on new Google Ads account. It will be asking, would you like to create a campaign or without a create a campaign? You can click on the step, create a campaign with, sorry, create any campaign. Okay, let me show you that one also so that you will get an idea. So let me click on new Google Ads account. So create a new account. I'll be landing to this particular place. I'll be landing to this particular place. Now, do you want to create your first campaign? I'll just skip on skip. Oh, 1 minute. Oh my God, this is not the one. So you'll be basically getting a no option, guys. So you should not get this option. You will be basically getting a no option. You can click on it. Let me try to recreate it if possible. Remove it. See, Google had some kinds of rules and things that has been changed. So that's the reason one of the things creating the campaigning was, sorry, ad account was quite challenging. First, let me show you how does a Google keyword planner looks like. Let me choose this particular account and let me land in this particular place. And definitely we are on the top. Okay. Now, when I click on Google Keyword Planner, so please go here and search for Google Keyword Planner and you'll be able to read it. Okay. So click on Keyword Planner. Done. So now you got an option called Keyword Planner. So here you'll be getting an option called Discover the Keywords. Kindly click on this. Kindly click on this. Just give me 1 moment. Sorry for the inconvenience. Now, here you will be having an option called Start with the Keywords. I'll come here and I'll click on this. And I'll search for the keyword called rosewood furniture. Okay. What is my keyword? Rosewood furniture. Let me click on enter. Now I click on enter. Now here you are getting an option to choose the language and choose the location. Now let me say I would like to choose the location as India only, and I'll click on get the results. So when I click on get the results, okay, I hardly can remember rosewood furniture might be having 13 words or 14 words or 15 words. But unfortunately, I came to know that rosewood furniture is having more than 370 keyword ideas are available. Oh my God, 370 keyword ideas. It means that the people are searching in a different aspect. Correct now. So let me see what are the ways the people is searching. Oh, let me hide this one. Let me come down. Let me come down. Yes. Okay. So if you look into this, in the below, you can see what is the keywords they are searching for. And here you can see the average monthly search. This is the data we considered. And here you will be having a 3 months change. Okay. So this 3 months change is not working. They have been introduced a couple of months back, but still I don't recommend 3 months change to be considered and year on year change to be considered. For SEO, we considered only average monthly search and the competition. What are the things we search for SEO? Average monthly search and the competition. And we will be taking a consideration of last 1 year data. Can you see here? We have a last 1 year data. Can you see here? Correct now? So last 12 months data to take consider. Do not take consideration of last month or the customization wala. Okay, always take consideration of the 1 year data so that you get an effective results. What? We get an effective results. And let me scroll down. Okay, if you look into here, what are the keywords I'm getting? I'm getting rosewood dining table, a rosewood coffee table, a rosewood dining chairs, rosewood desk, rosewood table, rosewood furniture for sale, Indian rosewood furniture, and rosewood dining tables and chairs I got a quest. Did it stop here only? No. If I still scroll down, I'm getting few more. And if I still scroll down here, I do have an option to add it. So let me click on this and let me say, what are the 50 rows? Let me increase it. And when I scroll down here, can you see here? I have few more options. Can you see rosewood bed, rosewood chest for divars, okay, rosewood TV stands, rosewood chairs, rosewood bedroom furniture. Like this, I'm getting it different types of keywords. Now, let me see what is the average monthly search volume it is having. In a month, I can see 1,000 to 10,000 people are searching for this particular keyword, an average. Averagely, guys. It is not giving you exactly, it is telling that an averagely, it may be vary from 1,000 people to 10,000 people you are able to see this particular keyword. Okay. And you can see, is it having the, what is the competition? It is having a huge competition. Can you see the competition is high? What is this? The competition is high and we cannot be able to, and we cannot, in the SEO, right, we cannot be able to rank on the, it will take time to rank, but we can able to rank it. Okay. So this is how we can able to see the keywords. So we got 1,000 to 10,000 high search volume. Rosewood dining table is having 100 to 1K high search volume. Again, rosewood dining chairs is having 1 to 100 again with the high search volume. Okay. So you don't need to worry about this top bid and a top bid, high, low range and high range that we'll be discussing on the Google Edge. Now, here is how many areas we got? 370. Okay. Now, what I do, I will change this location. Boss, right now, I'm doing my business not in India. I'm doing my business in Dubai or UAE. I'll take it as Singapore country. So click on the Singapore country and click on save. And you tell me what is the keyword volume has been changed. Did it got changed, guys? Rosewood furniture search volume has changed. Is it increased or is it decreased? What is average monthly search? Did it got increased or did it got decreased, guys? Sir, we could not see the last part. We were confused. Correct? Who can answer this one? And how about how many keywords? Does it having 465? Last time when we choose the location called India, it is decreased. Thank you, Nitin. For India, how much we got, guys? For India location, is it 400 or is it 300 plus? Come on, learners. Nobody remember the number. It was 300 change, guys. It was 300 change. 300 change. 375 change. Okay. Now, but when I'm choosing the Singapore, I'm getting a different range. Correct, right? Again, I'll change the location. This time I'm changing the location to Germany. Okay, let me click on include. And let me remove Singapore. Let me click on save. So again for Germany, we got different keywords. So does it got increased or did it got decreased? Did it got increased or did it got decreased, guys? Correct, right? Yeah. Based on the location to location, it will be keep on changing. Somewhere around 1 to 10 to 100 only. Decreased again. Increased, no Prafulla. Can you see I'm speaking about this one, guys? 471 keyword yes. I'm not speaking about the average monthly volume. Okay. So average monthly volume remained constant, but the number has been changed. So let me post this time and I'm choosing, I don't want any other countries. Let me fly back to Bangalore and I'll choose Bangalore. Click on Bangalore and click on save. Now, you tell me for Bangalore, how much was the keywords? Yes, the keyword volume has 100K to 1K, but for India, it was a different. And here still the competition remains high. And here you can see the art. Correct now. So this is how you can search for the keyword research. Okay. And sir, do you want me to use all these keywords into my website? Do you want? No. But how to filter those keywords, sir? Definitely. Let me filter the keywords. In the right hand side, can you see there is an option called refine keywords? Or are people able to see there is an option called refined keywords? So kindly click on this refined keywords and we'll go one by one. First, let me go for branding and non-branding. I will not eliminate non-branding. I will eliminate branding. Rosewood Living, it is not a branding. Regency is a brand. DHP is a brand. Okay. Again, Privacy is a brand. So many brands are available. I'm removing these keywords here one by one. Can you see it? I'm removing these keywords one by one, like this, like this, like this, like this. Kent coffee, I'm removing like this. So after removing the keywords, okay, what was my keyword strength was earlier? Keyword count was 370. Now, what got it reduced? It reduced it to 342. It reduced it to 342. Correct, right? So this is what happens when you're searching for this particular keyword. Now, why we are filtering out? Because I don't want to show somebody is coming in search of some other brand. And if you show to your brand, do you think the people will come and really interest on your brand? No, nah. Then why do you need to spend a time on that? So I'll remove those keywords. Again, I'll scroll up. Okay. I'll see for the furniture. Is there something relevant to me? Yes, table, dining table, sofa set, desk, bed, TV cabinet. No, TV cabinet I'm not selling, boss. I'll remove it. Bookcase I'm not setting. Okay, I'm not selling. Chest of the darvars. Yes, I'm not selling. So I'll remove that one. So if you're not able to sell only, then why do you need to add it? Correct, na? See, for example, in India, especially in Karnataka, we have different types of varieties of idlis. Okay, for idli. Okay, so every hotel cannot be cooking all kinds of idlis, right? So whatever the business which you can be cooked and it is having a profitable, then you can cook it, or else you cannot be cook it. Nah, that's the reason I will be eliminating those things. So which is required, I'll add it. Which is not required, I'll be not adding it. Okay, so I'll go like this one by one. Okay, keywords are done, furniture are done. Again, I'll scroll down. Rooms, it is telling. Is there relevant to the rooms? If you are not eliminating, again you remove. Again, you can click on it. Again, scroll down here. You'll be having others. See something which is not relevant to your business. Kindly remove this. If it is relevant to your business, keep it ahead. Keep it ahead. Now, and then what you will do? I'll go to the download keyword planner. I'll click on this download keyword planner. Click on to the Google Sheets. And you can give the Google Sheet name as a Rosewood keyword furniture. And click on download. The keywords will be ready. Let me say Rosewood furniture. Click on download. None. We are downloaded. It will take some time to prepare the report and the report will be prepared. So can you see? Click on open the sheet. The sheet is been opened. Okay. So now here again, we will go and filter which are the keywords I should use for my business for SEO purpose. Okay. So for SEO purpose, which are the keywords I need to use for the business. So this is how the keyword research will be done and you'll be downloading the keyword research. Okay. Are we clear? Thank you, Aswari. It's a great tool. Cool. Okay. So I'll try to show you how to create an account, guys. So there is an issue on this particular account creation. Let me show you once again. Yeah. I think from this account I made right. Let me show you on this part. Let me click on this. Yeah. Let me click on this particular aspect. Okay. Google Keyword Planner. Kindly type it, enter. Click on this particular aspect. It will be redirected to this. Okay. Click on Visit Planner. Will be redirected to again to this. So, oh my God. No, switch Google account. Okay, because I already created. Let me take one dummy account for this, and I'll be lagging to this. So for you people, right, you'll be getting this dashboard, guys. People who are planning to create a Google Keyword Planner, right, you'll be getting this dashboard. Okay. So what you need to do, you need to come here and you need to click on New Google Ads account. Kindly click on New Google Ads account. You'll be landing to this particular place. Okay. So here you'll be having an option to create your first campaign. You can click on create your first campaign or create without a campaigning also you can go. Let me click on create your first campaign. Why it is coming? It should not come. It is asking business and all. No, we should not come. Let me try it once again. Okay, click on delete and remove it and click on sign in. Okay. Create a new Google Ads account. Let me see, is there any option to create? Your business or phone number? No. Okay, guys. Unfortunately, Google is not letting me to create an account. Let me see, is there an option? Because I need to enter the website. Without having the website, it is asking me. No. Okay. Quite taking challenging for this. And let me see. Enter your business name as an optional. Let me enter the business page. Let me take an example of entering the business page. Is there anything? Let me take with an example of ExcelR only. Let's see. Okay. Let me scroll down. Let me come to here. 1 minute. I got my website. I'm taking on this. Okay. So I'll come to here. I'll try to enter this particular website. Scroll down. Click on the next. Okay. No, 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 no. It should not come to here. Let's see, is there any option for this to remove it? No. Why it is not going upside also not going. Click on the skip. Okay. Again, let me click on the skip. Okay. Let me see. There is an option called skip. Okay. Lead is campaigning creation. Yes. Yeah. Can you see, guys? You can skip the campaigning creation. Here you will be having an option to choose the country, location, and time zone. Kindly click on continue. Okay. Here you will be having an option to add the payment gateway. Okay. So you can add the payment gateway as manual payment, guys. Create a new profile. You need to add your organization name or everything. So you can mention the organization name. What is the organization name? XE. Okay. Legal name for learning purpose. You can take any for learning purpose. Okay. So I'll give the organization name as Hitesh. Hitesh. Okay. So street address, door number 35, first cross. Okay, Bangalore. Okay, sorry, first cross. Then I'll scroll down and mention the city name. It's Bangalore. Pin code, random pin code 56. Okay, and state is Karnataka. You can choose Karnataka. Please choose your respective states, guys, and click on create. Okay. Uh, trust me, it will not ask you any payment to make it. Don't need to worry. Okay. You can mention pay with the bank, net banking. Okay. And again, you can scroll down. You need to add manual payment amount. Please add the manual payment amount as 1,000 rupees and click on continue and click on I agree terms and conditions and click on no and then scroll down and click on submit. Sometimes it will work. Sometimes it will not work. Again, you need to resubmit it. Yes. Okay. So let me click on submit again. See, your account is activated. Let me click on continue. Here is your account. Now you can do the keyword research. Can you see? We are landed to the Google Keyword Planner, sorry, Google Ads. So kindly come here and search for Keyword Planner and kindly implement this task. Okay. So I give you 10 minutes of a time, guys. Please try to work on this task. It would be easy. Please discover the keywords, you do it, and it would be easier. Okay. So then we'll be moving on to the types of SEO. Then we'll try to go and implement project. Okay. Fine, guys. Start working on it, everybody. If you have any doubts, let me know. I give you 5 minutes of a time. Guys, you can do the keyword research tool using this one. I've shown the steps how to do the keyword research. Okay, it's a practical task. So you can pick out your any business. Go to the Google Keyword Planner and implement the Google Keyword Planner there, and you can find out the tool. Okay, got it, guys? So create an account with your Gmail ID. So as I said, create a campaign without a goal, and click on create an option to skip, and then you can be able to do it. So we have 5 minutes of a time. So it would be easy if you people implement, or else it will be quite challenging for you guys. Okay. So once it is done, then I'll be showing you how to be done next part. With Sachin, you can keep it as a manual banking payment. Okay, I told you, right? You can keep it as a banking payment. Manual payment, you can add it. Okay, Sachin. And you don't need to add your bank details there also. Thank you, Sachin. Somebody is working for me. I'm very happy. Really, somebody is implementing. Thank you. Hi, yes, ma. Please mention the budget as 1,000 rupees, ma. No problem. It will not get any deducted profile. Okay. Sorry, Sachin, I cannot share my mail ID or email, the phone number. You can connect with our support team. They'll be connecting. If you have any queries, they'll be addressing you on that particular part, Sachin. Okay. Chandana will be sharing you the details of the ExcelR support team guidance or whatever you require. They'll be definitely helping you on that particular aspect, Sachin. Cool. Thank you. Anand, no problem, Anand. Okay. You can try to create a new Gmail ID account. From that also you can run the ads. Okay. And can I do the search? Yes. See, if your account is black, still you can do the ad account. See, my account is also restricted. Can you see? My account has got cancelled here, but still I'm able to search this one. You can do it, Anand. Prafulla, what you are not able to add it, Prafulla? So you're not able to add the amount, or you're not able to add the payment method. So you'll be getting an option called payment method, right? Okay. So payment, yeah, payment, you can add it manual payment here. No problem. Yeah, no problem, Anand. You can be open it. No problem. There is no restriction. You can create a new Gmail ID account, or you can create a new ad account also. Here we do have. See, under single ID only, right? Like you can see so many accounts have been opened. I have more than 10 accounts. You can do it. There is no restrictions on that particular aspect. Did anybody landed to this particular place? Anyone landed to this particular place? Yeah, super. Aswari has been landed. Nice. Mahavir Advai has been landed. Okay, super. No, if you have an Ashwari. Okay, really sorry, dear, if I'm pronouncing your name is wrong. It's my bad. Sir, I don't have a website, so I won't be able to do it. No, Mahavir, you can take any random websites also right now, and you can add it, Mahavir. There is no challenging in that. Okay, cool. Thank you. Yep. You can select the bank option as manual payment or net banking. You can go with the net banking payment, and you can fill the details there, Prafulla. Here, don't add the bank account here. I'm just telling the bank option. There is an option called in the screen, right? You can see if you go to the campaigning, right, you'll be having an option called net banking. But just mention the net banking. Do not need to add the number. I'm again telling you don't need to add any number or details. Just need to mention the details. That's all, Ashwan Prafulla. Okay. If you find difficulty, Prafulla, you can stop there only. You can watch the recording and then you can set up the account, Prafulla. There is no need to worry on that particular aspect. Okay. Okay. So people who all are completed the task and people who have been added. So we reached the same here. Yeah, you can pay. Thank you, Sachin. If you people have reached the same here, people start doing the kindly research on it. Okay. Uh, cool. Prashant, the link will be shared, Prashant. In another 10 to 15 minutes, the link will be shared. Okay, by 4:45, the link will be shared, or 4:50, the link will be shared, Prashant. Okay, we do have a session. They'll be definitely sharing on that particular attendance link. Thank you. Okay, now, people who are all completed, you can have a note on this. So you'll be in the Google Keyword Research Planner. So I'll be showing you how to pick the quick keywords. Okay. I think we had another two people said need some time. Okay. Thank you, Prafulla. Okay. So can you look into the screen here, guys? So here you can able to see the how the keyword research has been done. We have been taken into the consideration here, and you can able to go through it. Now, let me show you how to do the filtration aspect. So the filtration will be here on, let me say, I am selecting this first two lines. The first line is here and the second line is here. I'll be eliminating these two rows. So after eliminating these two rows, I'll just select this particular corner section. Can you see there is a corner which is an empty space? I'll hold on it. Okay. So why I'm holding on it? Because I need to add a filters. Okay. I need to add a filters. Whether you can handle it like that also, or else you can add it like manually also. Just click on manual filters. The filters has been added. Now, what is the thing I want to know? I want to know which is the keyword having the high search volume. Okay, sorry. First, I will remove the unwanted things. I'll remove the currency. I remove the 3 months. I remove the year-on-year challenge. I remove the competition, top bid, and top range. Use the right click and delete the selected columns. Done. So again, I want to remove the unwanted stuff. Again, I use Control Shift right arrow and backspace. Done. So now you can see only the 3 things we will be having. Okay, something is missed out. Competition, high, average monthly search, and competition. Something is missing. Okay, we'll take it only these 3 things. Fine. Now I'll come and click on filter. I'll choose which is having the 0. I don't want to add these keywords. I'll remove the 0. I'll remove the 50. I'll remove the blank. And I'll see what are the things we do have. I have only 500. Okay, I'll take it as a blank. Sorry, 50 and 500. I'll click on OK. Now, if you look into here, we have 314 keywords. Among them, we have 208 keywords came into the final inspection. Correct, right? Among this, I'm going to pick the keywords of top 10 or 15, which is performing, and I'll go to the competition, click on this. I'll remove the competition, which is having a low and medium and unknown, and I'll click on OK. Now I got 87 keywords here. Can you see how many keywords I got? I got 87 keywords. Again, I will choose only the top keywords, which is performing very high. Again, I'll click on filter. I'll remove 50. I'll click on OK. Okay, we got only hardly 5 keywords. Okay, let me filter at 50 and I'll click on OK. Now, I'll go to individual keywords and I'll see, okay, Rosewood desk. Okay, I'm serving. I'm manufacturing Rosewood dining, Rosewood side table. Yes. Rosewood chairs, console table. No, I'm not serving. I'll go individually and I'll remove like this. Rosewood table furniture. Like I'll go with wardrobe. I'll go to dining. Indian rosewood or Indian dining tables, I'll remove like this. King size rosewood bed, yes. So like this, I'll take the top 15 keywords or 20 keywords and I'll keep it to my website. Okay, this is the stage 1 of doing the keyword research for your SEO purpose. For your SEO purpose. So this is how we do it, guys. Okay, then we'll move back to the next part. So what is there in the next part we are going to implement, that we are going to learn back. Okay. So let me come into this particular aspect. So here we do have the next stage of things. So let me come here and let me move on to the next topic. And here we do have an option. Okay, so let me go to the final stage, guys. So we'll be in the final stage and hand. So we are done with the keyword research. So we'll be seeing what are the different types of SEOs we do have. What are the different types of SEO we do have? Okay. The first one is called on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. What are the different types of SEOs we do have? On-page, off-page, and technical SEOs. And let me go and explain what is on-page SEO. Any activity performed on the web pages. Any activity performed on the web pages. For that, we call it as on-page SEO. It might be in the form of content optimization, URL optimization, structured data, internal linking, title tag optimization, meta tag optimization, okay, image optimizations. For this, we call it as on-page SEO. For this, we call it as on-page SEO. Okay, so let me show you few couple of things. How does it looks like? Now, when you go to the Google and searching for a particular query, right? Here we saw a query and you're able to see a couple of things in the blue color line and the black color words. For this, we call it as meta titles and meta descriptions. So that we call it as meta titles and meta description. So where it should include with the keywords, and the keywords are there and it has been found. Keywords are there and it has been found. Okay. So this is a part of your on-page SEO. It is a part of your on-page SEO. Fine. Okay. Then let me move on to the next part. Is called off-page SEO. What is off-page SEO? Off-page SEO is nothing but any activity made or performed outside of the web pages. Any activity made or performed outside of the web pages in the form of generating the link to your pages. Generating the link to your pages. For that, we call it as off-page SEO. Can you see here? One link is generating from one page to another website, another domain. Okay, where you will be generating the traffic in the submission of the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, let me say LinkedIn, or social media platforms, or any forum submission, image submission. For that, we call it as the off-page SEO. Okay, and it is for the free of cost you need to do, guys. I do not encourage paid off-page SEO tools. Okay, for this, we call it as off-page SEO. Then let me move on to the next aspect called technical SEO. So what is a technical SEO? Technical SEO is nothing but any activities where technically sounds like traveling depth, mobile friendliness, duplicate content, okay, indexability issues, page speed issues, structured data issues, SSL certificate or security issues, which will be identified using the couple of tools or website auditing tools. For that, we call it as technical issue. For that, we call it as technical issue, where we implement while performing the website, and that is done on the practical manner. Okay, so you no need to worry, we'll be performing in practically, that can be done in the practical manner. For that, we call it as the technical issue. Okay, so let me show you with a simple example, whether your website is being having a SSL certificate or not. How to check that one? Very simple. That is nothing but secure socket layer. Can you see here? The website, it should start with the HTTPS. S stands for secure socket layer. S stands for secure socket layer, and the web page URL should be there. Okay. If SSL certificate is not there, okay, then you are not having a chance of ranking in the SERP. Google will not permit, Google will not allow. What? Google will not permit and Google will not allow. So that's the reason we call it as a SSL certificate. It's part of your technical SEO task. Okay, so you will be basically knowing this one in the scenario. Now, so that is one of the consideration part. Okay, we can be considered. Apart from this, so we do have a lot of things to be done practically on page activation and then off page activation. Okay, so these are the three different types of SEO, and we do have many more, and we can be discussing. Now, let me move on to the one live practical scenario or one kind of a project implementation on your website. Okay, so this is the scenario, guys. So let me explain you the scenario. You are optimizing a blog, posted title, fitness tip for the beginners. So this is a blog which has been written by one of the content writer, and the content writer team has handed over to you. Now, what is my keyword? I want to rank in the SEO, right? So I want to rank in the SEO means fitness tip for beginners is my keyword. And I mentioned about the fitness tip for the beginners in the keyword. Okay, I should use that keywords in my web page, correct now? But the post is not appearing on the first of the page. The person said we have written the content and it has been already activated. And by right now we are not able to see it. So what is the reason? How can you help you out? So we identified that the content is no long. Okay, the content is long, but it does not have many subheadlines, and the keyword density is quite low. Okay, keyword density refers to how many times a keyword is been repeated in your content. How many times a keyword is being repeated in your content. For that, we call it as keyword density. For that, we call it as keyword density. Correct now? So to check, let me show you one practical scenario. Now here we have a question. What on-page SEO techniques could you apply to improve this blog post in the search engine rank? Very simple. I will amplify. The first task is called whether this particular keyword is being added on the web pages. For that, we call it as keyword optimization. Let me show you the blog a person who has been written. And what is my keyword here, guys? Relevant keyword is fitness tips for the beginners. So let me come to this blog. Okay, and I'll come here and I'll find out. Okay, what is the keyword is called? Fitness tips for the beginners. Correct now. And when I search this keyword, I hardly have only one keyword on the title. Okay, but this keyword is not repeated anywhere in the content. Can you see? Is the keyword is repeated anywhere in the content? No. I'll scroll down. No. They have written a paragraphs? No. Is there any keyword that is speaking about this particular content is speaking about this particular keyword? No. Correct now. So this blog is completely not optimized, but the content is good, guys. I'm not speaking about the content. They have written content properly, like what are steps and tricks to start a what is this called, a fitness, how to be fitness. The content writer knows very well, they have been written. So that's not a big deal. Now, here the challenge comes. So what are the things I need to do? First, I need to find out the keywords. So first I need to give the titles and the first I need to find out how to optimize the keywords. So I will instruct to the content writer, see boss, kindly write a content that the headline should be having the keyword, and even in the body part of the content should be having the keyword. Don't give only one headline. Kindly give the 2 headlines or 3 headlines or 4 headlines with the relevant keywords. Along with that, you need to give a proper conclusion. Along with that, you should be having the what is this called image URL, or image should be inserted. So based on that, let me show you how does an optimized SEO will be looking ahead. So this is what the instruction which I have been given to my content writer, and the content writer has started to write this one. Now, same blog, guys, nothing, most of the 70% of the information we have been taken from the same blog, and now you can see it here. Now, let me find this particular content, and yes, fitness tips for the beginners. You can see 8 times my keyword has been written. How many times? 8 times the keyword has been written. Okay. And here you can able to see what the content has been added. And if I scroll down, right, you can able to see, is the title, is the content is added in the title? Yes, this is the H1 tag. The title is there. And is the content is added in the body section? Yes. Along with that, we have been bolded the content so that the content can be able to, robots can store the data. Now, when I scroll down, right, these are the headlines we call it as. What are these? Headlines we call it as. In these headlines also, we started using the content. Can you see? Fitness tips for the beginners. Okay, fitness tips for the beginners. Okay, we started with the hashtag called tip 1, tip 2, tip 3. So you can see the content. One of the most important fitness tips for the beginners is to start a small business and build up gradually. Again, when I scroll down here, you'll be able to see this content slowly with all the content. Correct now? So now the content is been having, when it is been optimized. After optimization, you need to go through it, proofread it. Okay, and the next thing is you need to implement on this your website. How do we implement on this website? Where you should be having a WordPress website or a developed website. So I will go to my website. Here I have a website which has been developed already. I'll open this particular URL link. I'll open this particular URL link. Just give me some time. I'll show you practically how do you implement it. Okay. So in the backend, you'll be logging in, guys. After logging into the backend, you'll be having an option to add the content. Now, once we log in here, you need to go to the section called posts. So this is a post which I have already written. So like this, I will go. Again, I'll click on this. I'll be entering into my web page. And here you'll be having an option called posts. That is called blog, the optimized content. So I'll click on add a new post and I'll redirect to this empty screen. Now, I'll come here. I'll copy the customized blog. First, I'll copy the title, guys, which is having the keyword. I'll come here. I'll enter my title. Now, can you see my title has been entered? Then publish twice. Okay, publish twice. The headline has been added. Now, the stage number 2. Again, I will add this particular content. Here, what are the leftover content is there? I'll copy it. Okay, I'll copy this particular content. I'll come here. I'll add it on this particular web page. Now my content has been added. Okay. I will be using a tool to write meta title and description, and the tool name is called we have rank math. Okay, we do have all-in-one SEO that is called plugins, guys, not a tool. We add plugins for the WordPress to write the meta title and meta description, and through that plugins, I will be giving meta title and descriptions for my website. Okay, so once everything is been added, you need to click on update. Okay, is it sufficient? No. Now what I need to do, I need to add an image also. I said, right, image optimization is also required. Now what I will do, I'll go to Canva. I'll click on Canva. So just a moment, I do have a Canva here. Just a moment. Okay, let me click on Canva. I will design a beautiful image, and the image should speak relevant to my particular content part. Correct, right? So what I will search here, click on create a design, log banner. Click on here. So I can enter this. So what is my keyword here? Let me go back here and check what is my keyword. Arey Baba, 1 minute. Ha. Fitness tips, correct, right? So I'll find any template relevant to fitness. Okay, click on enter. So you can able to see fitness. Yes, I think I can see my fitness tips. So I would like to add any one among these. Yes, fitness center. So I'll try to remove the unnecessary part. I don't want this content part. I'd like to add my website logo and everything here. You can add it and kindly give the banner name. Banner name as fitness. The keyword? Fitness tips. Correct, right? My keyword is, what is my keyword? Fitness tips for beginners. So I'll copy this keyword. Okay, I'll come here and I'll paste it here. I'll click on share and I'll download it. Okay, always download in the JPG format, guys. I kindly request and recommend always download in the JPG format. Is downloaded. Now this particular image is been optimized. How? While giving the proper name. Now again, I'll come back here. Okay. So if you have a website, it will be showing like this. Let me say, where do I would like to insert this image? I like to insert this image on this particular aspect. Let me click on enter. Here I have a plus icon. Click on this plus icon. And here you can see the image. Click on this image. Here you can upload the image and I'll upload it. Now let me click on this and open. Image has been added. Correct, right? For this image, I would like to give any text. Can you see in the right hand side, you are able to find the alternative text? Yes. Kindly give the fitness tips for the beginners. Now we have been optimized this image. So where do you want to align it? You can align it and then click on update and your image will be updated. Okay. So this is how you basically do into this aspect, guys. Okay. And you can able to see it. Fine. So this is how the scenario for a project. See, as an SEO site, SEO is not a one go. I just show you the what are the things we need to be considered on the SEO. So this is the SEO basically scenarios we get where a page is not getting ranked. What are the issues you might be having? First one, we see about whether this page is having a title or not. Second thing, we'll be seeing whether this page is having images or not. I can see there is no images, or the keywords are used in this particular content or not. Yes, there are no keywords are used. Is this keywords has been properly optimized or not? So these are the points we'll take into the consideration. After taking these points into the consideration, then we will be optimizing it. Okay. So you will be giving the instruction, boss, you need to optimize the keywords. You don't have a proper headlines. In the headlines, the keyword should be given. In the conclusion, the keyword should be mentioned. Okay. And also you should not go keywords. For that, we call it as keyword density, where you should, for every 100 words, we should repeat only 3 words, guys. If it is more than 3 words, right, it is not considered as a SEO keywords. It is considered as a black hat SEO, where you follow illegally and you follow ethically. Okay. So always prefer within this particular zone, and then after implementing it, then you need to copy this particular content and add it in your website and you can able to find it. We use the plugins called Rank Math, Yoast SEO, and many. These are the plugins we use to implement on your website, because we are not the developers, right? Coders. So for the WordPress, right? If you are looking for a WordPress, we use these plugins. Okay, Yoast SEO plugin and Rank Math plugin. Okay, so these are the things we can be considered. Okay, these are the plugins. If you want to make a note, you can make a note. This is the Yoast SEO, Rank Math, and we do have all-in-one SEO. Okay, so you can use these plugins, guys. Here you can able to look into screen and you can able to find it. Okay, so kindly make a note of these things. And I thought, let me show you one more tool as we have a short of time. Okay, yeah, let me show you that tool. So apart from Google Keyword Planner, right, we use one more tool for the keyword research that is called Google Trends. Okay, it's a free tool which has been offered by Google only, guys. You can see whether this particular keyword is really having a trend or not. Okay, to check that, we will come here and we'll explore this particular keyword. Let me say rosewood furniture. Okay, and let me click on the search term and let me click on explore. Here you will be having the locations. You can choose the locations, but countries only, guys. and always request you guys to choose last 12 months ka data, and you can able to see here. And when you scroll down, right, you will be having whether this keyword is rising or top. Okay. So when it comes to the topic, right, this keyword is rising, but when it comes to the queries, it's in the top. It means that this keyword is having a good demand, so that I can implement this keyword into my website. If both the things it is not showing, right, rising also not showing, top also not showing, then you need to think whether this keyword should be added or not. Okay, this is the tool name. The tool is called trends.google.com. What is the tool name? The trends.google.com. Are we clear, guys? Okay. So before we wrap up the session, okay, we have another 5 more minutes. Do you people have any doubts in SEO? Okay. SEO is very vast, guys. We cannot give it a complete detail in 2 hours. So I just gave the brief about the SEO, where you get a knowledge types of SEO. So why the SEO should be used, and how to do the keyword research, and how to implement your website, and how to see a quick project on this particular manner. Okay. So do you have any doubts? Okay. Thank you, Atul. Ashwari, black hat is nothing but illegal activities which will perform opposite to the SEO. SEO is nothing but where you need to uh, perform real activities. If you're performing irrelevant activities like adding more content, more keywords, and not following the rules and regulations of the SEO, no, for that we call it as a black hat SEO. Sachin, these recordings will be there in your LMS. I believe yesterday Chandana has explained you how to go and log into your LMS access. Okay. This documents will be, this content study material will be shared you and it will be uploaded in your LMS, Sachin. Okay. Cool, guys. So that's it from my end for the day. If you have any queries, let me know. Okay. So if you do not have any queries, you can kindly share me the feedback and you can leave for the day. Okay. Cool, guys. That's it from mine. Have a wonderful day. It was a great interaction from you all. Okay. I believe you have received the feedback. Okay. You can fill your attendance in the feedback part. And it was great. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chandana.
Yeah, like dear faculty members, I sent attendance link. Please mark your attendance if you missed out. Any more questions, you can ask me here in the chat box, or else we'll wind up the session. Okay. Yesterday's attendance link we are not going to share today because we required 60% attendance for certificate, no? So if you missed out one day, that's okay, no problem. So from today onwards, don't miss out it. We have 2 more minutes. Have any questions, you can ask me in the chat box, or else we'll wind up it. Okay. I didn't see any questions in YouTube or Zoom. Ma'am, I have submitted today's response or feedback. Okay, Priya, that's good. Okay, it's done. So we'll meet on tomorrow. Up to then, take care. Bye bye.